Hello students, so today we will learn about the names of 22 different domestic and pet animals. Domestic and pet animals are those animals which are bred in homes and farms. These domestic and pet animals are very beneficial to mankind and are useful in our day-to-day life. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify different types of domestic animals that we see daily. So let's begin without any further delay. This is a cat. C-A-T. Cat. This is a dog. D-O-G. Dog. This is a cow. C-O-W. Cow. This is a buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. This is a pig. P-I-G. Pig. This is a rabbit. R-A-P-P-I-T. Rabbit. This is a goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. This is a sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. This is a camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. This is a hen. H-E-N. Hen. This is a donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. This is a hamster. H-A-M-S-T-E-R. Hamster. This is a duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. This is a fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. This is a yak. Y-A-K. Yak. This is a llama. L-L-A-M-A. Llama. This is a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. This is a guinea pig. G-U-I-N-E-A-P-I-G. Guinea pig. This is a dove. D-O-V-E. Dove. This is a pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. This is a horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. This is an ox. O-X. Ox.